Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with my daughter Savannah, and today is Savannah's birthday. Say hey everybody.
Hi.
How old you gonna be, Savannah?
7.
Savannah's gonna be 7 years old. And for this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I did Savannah's halo braid for her birthday. So if you want to see how I did Savannah's halo braid for her birthday, y'all keep on watching. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Her hair has already been washed, conditioned, and moisturized. So I'm just combing through it to make sure there are no kinks. And her hair is very thick and coarse, so it's really hard to put her hair in one smooth ponytail. So I'm actually going to be smoothing it out in sections to be able to put it in a nice sleek ponytail. To do that, I'm going to be using this locking gel edge control. It works really good, however it doesn't smell very good, but it does work really good. I'm also going to be using a rat tail comb, some hair clips, ponytail holders, and also some hairpins. And I'm also going to be using a brush. We're going to create a low ponytail in the back of her head, not too low, but it's going to be a low ponytail, so I'm going to go ahead and start in the back and begin sectioning her hair off. So now that I have her hair in a nice sleek ponytail, I'm going to go in with my edge control brush and sleek those edges. After sleeking her edges, I'm going to take a satin scarf and tie her hair up and leave it for about 10 minutes so it can set in. After taking off the scarf, I tied her hair in 2 braids and I'm wrapping it around a ponytail. We want the bun to be small as possible. There will be a bun in the back, but we want it to be small. So I'm securing that with a ponytail holder. And then I made a braid. This is the hair that I used. It was not long enough, so I used the feed-in method to do it. If you would like to see a video on how I did the feed-in method to make the braid longer, please let me know in the comment section. So as you can see, I used that ponytail holder to tie it around and secure it on the braid. So now I'm just wrapping the braid around the bun to hide her hair. And I'm just taking some pins to go ahead and secure that braid around her hair. After the hair is secure, I am wrapping the braid around the perimeter of her head and basically just playing around with it to see what position I would like it to be in. And when I get it to the position that I want it to be in, then I'm going to take the end of the braid and just wrap it around the bun and secure it with some pins. And then I'm going to secure the entire braid around her hair with some more pins to make sure that it stays in place. So now that we have everything in place and secure, we're going to just make this look even more fabulous by adding some hair accessories. So here is the finished look. It is super cute, super easy, cute on adults, cute on kids. I'm telling you, anybody can do it, anybody can rock it. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, all items used will be left in the description box. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to leave my baby girl a birthday shout out if you want to. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see y'all next time. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share it. Oh yeah, and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this one. Hit that bell button so you can receive notifications of new videos that I post.